Hi ma'am, hi sir. My name is Rona Sanchez from Nasunugan, Dao Capiz, Philippines. I am 36 years old. I am happy, single, and I have no child. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. My hobbies are cooking and gardening. I work as a housemaid in the Philippines for 6 years and 1 month. My duties to provide care of the children, do marketing, cleaning, and washing laundry. I want to work in Hong Kong to support the needs of my family, especially my parents, and to help my niece to send to school to finish her study and save some to my future. To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid. I promise to take good care of your children and love as my own. I will love my job. I will respect your privacy requirements. I am willing to learn and understand the instruction. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.